Shotgun! Shotgun!
Shotgun!
Blitz!
Shotgun, no blitz!
Rosa Parks.
Wait, what's going on? Why do you get the front seat? I called no blitz.
I called Rosa Parks. She sat in the front and refused to move to the back. You should brush up on your terminology.
Fine, I will.
Have you seen Thom? He hasn't been to class lately. Seriously, I'm getting a little worried about it.
Relax, I'm sure he's fine.
I'm ready.
Quiet.
Shotgun! No blitz!
Rosa Parks. It's as if you didn't learn anything at all.
Police!
So you have learned something after all. Well, how about Brown versus Board of Education in Topeka, Kansas?
No discrimination, but that voids everything!
I know.
Shotgun! Ooh. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot! Significant other clause! Rob, go out with me!
No.
Damn!
Ha! You can't call shotgun if you're not outside!
Shotgun! If I'm inside and back outside, everything is voided again!
That's only if all of us go back inside.
In that case, giraffe clause. I'm taller than you, so it's a courtesy to give me shotgun.
That only applies if you're 6 feet. You're 5'10". See back?
That's residential variation. It doesn't apply here.
Fine, then medical clause. I get nauseous during long drives in the back seat.
We're driving across campus. You'll manage.
Don't even think about it.
Shotgun.